Hi, my name is Marcus Pont and I'm the CEO at Domin. Domin is a Bristol-based UK engineering company, and we design, develop, manufacture and sell equipment into the hydraulics industry. When we formed the company in 2012, it was formed on the premise that metal 3D printing was going to revolutionize industries. We realized that the hydraulics industry was where we could bring the biggest impact, and so we decided to apply the technology of metal additive manufacturing into the hydraulics sector. For Domin, sustainability means achieving more with less. And that means that we offer products that are faster than our competitors, that are more stable than our competitors, that are able to be controlled more precisely than our competitors. But at the same time, they use less energy and they use less resources to make. And what that means typically is for one of our normal S6 Pro high-performance servo valves, we're able to offer a product that is faster than our current state-of-the-art competitors. But at the same time, typically we might save up to $400 of energy use per year. And for us, that's the progress that we want to see. We started working with Renishaw in 2019, and we did a project together where we wanted to target turning our product that we had designed into a commercial reality. Since then, we've grown at an astonishing rate almost across the board. One of the main outcomes of that project we worked on together was to manufacture around 120 metal additive manufactured manifolds. Now we sit here today, 5 years later, in a world where we're making maybe the same number every day. Since we launched the product, our revenue has grown by about 75% every year. Our presence around the world has significantly increased. Our manufacturing footprint has fundamentally changed. We now have a headquarters in the centre of Bristol and a factory just outside. And the growth has been hugely supported through our partnership with Renishaw, and it's something that we're really proud of. Since then, the production demand has grown so much that within almost just a year, we were investing in our second machine, and we bought a Renishaw 500Q Ultra, which has more than doubled our capacity of printed components.
So my name's Josh Whitmore, and I am the Area Sales Manager for Additive in the UK. So we're very pleased to work with Domin since the very beginning. We've watched them grow from strength to strength, and we have a great working relationship with the team, and we look forward to supporting them as they continue to grow. As we design and manufacture our products here in the UK, we are very proud to support other UK businesses like Domin, who are helping to grow the AM volume production market.
We've been working with Renishaw for almost 6 years now, and over the course of that journey, one of the things that we've appreciated most is the support that was offered between us. We know if we ever have a problem, we have access to almost 24/7 support, and that our questions and concerns will be dealt with within a very short period of time.